$12.99. Is this like a bagel bag? I don't know. Oranges? 10. Hoping to find some more pottery. It's kind of cool. It's a cute little bird home. Little mushroom one, 15. And this guy's just lounging around. I think it might be like a bird feeder. A lot of quails. I've been finding so many quails in my backyard, but I no longer have a dog, so they're like everywhere. This fat man, he keeps coming around every morning, just lying there. So I throw some food out for it. It's like a birthday one. All these are the melamine department. Oh no. I feel like this Homegoods is not as stocked. But we'll try to go through a little bit of everything. $5.99. Look at the cute watermelon one. These are $5.99. And we have the orange. We're missing the lemon. And then you have a strawberry and cherry. So these are probably $5.99. I'm not a fan of this song playing. I hear it all the time in Ross. I don't know if you can hear it. Strawberry shortcake. $7.15. Ooh, look at this blue one. $15. And we got this one over here. Only 8. We have pink. 5. And it says mom on it. Just one. There's only one mom. A lovely day. Okay, that's a cute Winnie the Pooh one. Class of 2026 right next to me. The $12.99 for the Winnie. Oh, and this has a plaid plate. Missed the oh, look at that rug. Oh, I don't want to film that girl. That's a pretty rug, right? I want to say these chairs are they 300 or 229.
It looks like
300.
I can't see. It looks like 300. Yeah.
I'm like, oh my gosh, I need a new prescription. Okay, if you could read that, good for you. Okay. Ooh, that's kind of a cool pillow. Hunter. Let me go down. The lamp department. Totally missed that. There's people down there. This one's kind of cool. It's not a lamp. I was like, ooh, is that a lamp? There is a lamp like this. I think it was blue. $40. 40. The Apple one. I believe we might have seen this one too. The king is 70 for Tommy. 35. Nautica pillows. A little bit of 4th of July over here. These are by Martha and 35. This is everything in bathroom decor. Yes, again, a smaller Homegoods because we're mixed in with TJ Maxx. Tiny. I like the polka dot one. Those are cute. DKNY. It's a very tiny towel department. Okay, this is kind of cute. This is 5. And a few more butter dishes. A lot of mom mugs. Mom on it. Some of these are $10 for the container. $5.99. I'm trying to see if there's more dishes. A lot of lemon. Ooh, this is kind of cute over here. This is $8.99 and they have a larger one. 100 right here. He's just staring at me. Gordon Ramsay. I hear pros and cons about like the restaurant. We have a lot of clearance though. And this location, a lot of mugs on clearance. $15 for this one. Let me pick this one up. You get 2. The new price on that. It looks like leftover like shamrock. We have the honey bear, which is kind of cute, right? I want to see this one come in different colors. Ooh, $8. $8 on his little honey staff. That has cute little strawberries on it. And one with butterflies. I believe I did share that. Are these melamine? No. But they're $5.99 on the cherry. I feel like that's gonna fall. Butter dishes. A skinny one. It's like kind of a cool cat bowl. These are $5.99. Just cats all around it, like maybe a noodle bowl, rice bowl. And then $12.99 for this stripe one with the bow. And the little minis here are $7. This is $10, $5.99. And this pretty one, I know we've seen Gigi and more Gigi mugs. Mum. These are $15. Did I show you the blue one? Yeah, I did. So it goes into a repeat. These are 10. It's a Kate Spade and stripe and strawberry role model. Look at that one. The little ducklings. These are $12.99. No more of the fish. Ice cream cone, all American. American Girl down here at the bottom, and the doggy. Then $25 on the table runner. 20 stars and stripes. Look at the balloon table runner. Oh, looks like a leftover Easter. These are 15 now. These are 15. And this one's really colorful too. Has like tiny little butterflies on it. These are gonna be 7. These are 8. Okay, more of the lemon. This one's a little different. It's kind of cute. They have this traveling one. Butterflies, flowers. Okay, I feel like we might have seen these. And then that glass cherry one. Hey, this one doesn't have a lot of glassware. I'm always like crossing my fingers every time I go on this one location. These are 10 here. $8. And of course Martha on top. They have espresso. These are $5.99. Looks like some are pink, red tag for $8. And then $5.99. I feel like we've seen most of this. I don't even see like 4th of July decor here. They don't have a lot of pottery either. $15 for these bags. $29.99. There's a lot of artwork of cats. $17, $15. Like everywhere I go, cat. So $17. Make sure these don't fall. Oh, these gonna fall. Are they all the same? Ramen bar, $15.
And then the sun.
And then that, she's here for 20.
Did you see the sun?
Yeah, we've seen these before.
There's a moon.
And 100, this one's 100. 17 on top. The Reader, 17. Oh gosh, don't fall over. The Overthinker. A matcha, you want something? A matcha, 15. See, they have all this stuff here. More ramen. Not as much home decor either. Ireland book. Let me go down here. $49.99, $12.99. Tons of horse. Look at, oh my gosh, the crab. Ta-da! That's kind of funny. Some of these are $29.99, $70 for the one in the back. That crab one's kind of funny. There was a butterfly one. There's a heart one. Oh gosh. Let's see. $12.99. Really lightweight. And this really nice floral trio. Ooh, the Beetle. He is 7. Look, and he opens. Again, I want to see this as a candle. I did see somebody with a side table like this. It was a candle. It was gorgeous. Paris. Oh, don't want to film her. Brittany still. Pink is in there. Okay. Just like same glass decor here. The King Must Die. Huh. And I believe these have actual words in them. Because I thought they were just for decor purposes. Like the cover. But it was actual like book. Somewhat. You guys, this might do it for this location. It's a kind of a tiny one. I was hoping to find like more. These are perfect. So we went to Cheddar's, right? And my son ordered this thing called the spazania, and he was like, "Ooh, he thought it was like a lasagna pasta." It wasn't like lasagna, but like, you know, just a spaghetti lasagna. And I'm like, you know what? They should have did the noodles like this. I could do that. They just gave him regular spaghetti noodles. It just looked like spaghetti, and they called it spazania, but they made it sound so different.
It sounded cool, but it wasn't.
I'm like, they should have used little noodles. Yeah, Cheddar's.
Cristo.
What a letdown.
The Monte Cristo is better than Disneyland's.
Okay.
And it's cheaper.
Alright, you guys. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one.